What up, what up, what up? Matic Sports here. The Eagles, let's get it over with. Week 3, 9/22, next gen. Xbox Series S. For those that are new or watching or thinking about becoming subscribers, yeah. Talking a little low because it's a little late in my house. So, yeah. I've decided to start Trey Lance. Dak Prescott called me up. He let me know. He let the coach know. Because they all know to do that. You know what I'm saying? His, from last game, his shoulder. It's nothing serious. So, we get to see what Trey Lance gets to do. I know I said I wasn't going to add him until next year, and blah, blah, blah. But I changed my mind. Might as well, In this game, he's a rookie. And let's see what he's got. Number 5 was not available. I believe that's his number from the 49ers. Number 5 wasn't available. Number 3 at Dallas was available. So Trey Lance is number 3. Let's see what he can do. Second down. Oh, you already know. You already know. And got Pollard. I have Tony Pollard starting, but nice throw. Damn, look at that throw. Oh, y'all. Yo, Dak Prescott better watch it. Especially if this kid continues to have a good game. He's 6'4", he's got a strong arm. He's got the tools. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to have Tony Pollard starting, and I am going to, stay to Zeke. This is his last year with the Cowboys. With this franchise, with this team, with me being his coach. So, he's going to stay. I'm just going to use them both. That's all. But Tony Pollard is the starter. He is the starter. 3rd and 17. Alright, let's see. Let's see what he can do. Nice. Oh, what a beautiful throw. His release and everything is different. He's got a stronger arm. I can tell. 1st and goal. Yeah, look at his release. He's more got he's got a much quicker release than Dak Prescott. I can see why Jerry Jones got him. Trey Lance, I always was just wondering. Touchdown. Alright, Zeke. Yep, I told you I was going to be using them both, Tony Pollard and Zeke. I can see why Jerry Jones got. We missed the damn field. Yo, that thing be flying. So sometimes it happens. Alright, here's Jalen Hurts. 4 touchdowns, no interceptions. Figures. He'd be this early in the year. Yeah, figures he's already off to a decent, great start. Let's play some defense. Trevon Diggs, that's right. Comes up, plays the wood. 126. What's his name? He's good. I know that. But Diggs doesn't really hit. Damn, look at Michael Parsons. He just blasted him. I love it. Especially when it's against the Eagles. No disrespect to Eagle fans. But this is my team's one of their rival teams, opponents. Yeah, put Jalen Hurts on his ass. So, yeah. Right, that's the end of the first quarter. I like what I see so far from this quarterback. I like. Dak, the job is yours to lose. Especially if we win this game with Trey Lance. It's 6-0. It's a tight one. Philadelphia has to kick. Tonight, the Cowboys in the real NFL. Not in my league. You know what I'm saying? In my league, the Cowboys play more. You know, they play better. Better coach. Yeah, better coach. Me. Look at Trey Lance. Nice run. They play the 49ers tonight, so we'll see what's up. I think they can take him. Trey Lance throws, completion. He's money. His release, everything, yo. Trey Lance, he's the future of this team. Because Dak Prescott, unless he makes a complete turnaround, completely, and win a Super Bowl, a year one next gen Madden 22 Super Bowl, he gets to start. Next game, Dak Prescott's coming back. He's gonna start. This game, damn, they were all up in Trey Lance. Trey Lance, excuse me. They were all up in his ass that time. If he performs, win games, he will play. The best quarterback will play. I missed that. Damn, I gotta work on that kicking. No, I don't have to work on it. It's the kicker, the situation. Depending on the kicker's rating, you know what I'm saying? It's like they get nervous or their composure or something. And then that affects how fast the meter goes. You know what I'm saying? It already goes fast as hell. So what if your kicker's garbage? It's going to go even faster. What if he's nervous? It's going to go even faster. So he missed it. Who's that on? Yes, not on us. 1st and 20, push him back. Jalen Hurts to throw, complete, of course. Oh, everybody's trying to get this cat. Get him. My goodness. Jalen Hurts. There he goes, man, with this friggin' short change yardage, bro. Come on, Cowboys. Get up in there. Okay, that was not short change at all. That was big. That was big. I'm concerned. It's third quarter. It's towards the end of the third. Get him, please. Oh, yes, incomplete. 2nd and 10. If they score, that's bad, man. That's bad if they score. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Lawrence. Is that Lawrence? Yeah, fans. We at home. Party time. Philadelphia has to kick the field goal. It's good, of course. It's good. All right, that's the half. Let's go. Halftime. Let's go. Games around the league. Let's see what's going on, y'all. Colts at the Titans. Final. Colts lost. The Colts lost. What? By 4 points. The Jets. Oh, damn. Denver beat the hell out of them. 42-21. Yikes. That's a butt whooping. The Texans 27, Panthers 24. Okay. All right, action going around. Let's get back to the game. That's all I care. Come on, Monday Night Football. Come on, let's go. Next gen stats. Yeah, we know. Next gen stats. Like, so. Nah, I'm bugging, man. I'm bugging. But not really. I want the game to go down. Alright, third quarter. Let's go. Damn, 6-3. The Eagles are going to be a pain in the ass for a while, I guess. So, they're going to be pains. Alright, 1st and 10. Jalen Hurts. And he's taking off. I couldn't get him. He slid. You better. Because that head was going to get taken off. Damn. 2nd and 3. He got 7 out of that. 7 yards. He was... Oh, come on. We got to spy him a little bit. Can't allow that. Yo, this game is... Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. Yo, they can't tackle. Come on, man. I hate losing. And then, losing to the Eagles, rival team. Not the fact that they're just rivals. I'm going to have all that pop-up tutorial bullshit gone next video. Not tutorial. It explains dumb stuff that you can turn off. That will be gone. Okay? I'm aggravated, man. 6-3. This is not looking good. Penalties and whatnot. He's shaking his head like he didn't do anything. You did it, bro. You did it. Oh, man. This is horrible. Why is this happening, man? They're going to score. And then, shit. We're going to have to score. If they score, we have to score. Straight up. That's not the easiest thing to do against Philadelphia, man. I'm sick of Philly. Yo, Philadelphia, I'm already tired of them. Alright, defense. That's 4th down. 4th and 9. End of the 3rd quarter going into 4th quarter. Money quarter. They got to kick their field goal. Miss it. Miss that. They're not going to miss it this close. Alright. 1st and 10 Dallas. This is 6-6. Tied up. 4th quarter. 6-6. Didn't quite see it going like this. I mean, not to say that I knew I had a straight W, but 6-6 defensive game all the way. 2 minutes left. Still 6. Dallas, Philadelphia 6. Tie ball game. Come on, Cowboys. Come on, fellas. We are driving. We got time. There's Tony Pollard, and he's out. That's Pollard. Yes, Pollard. Did we score too soon? That's the thing. Did we score too soon? That can always come back to haunt us. 13-6. Very close game. They score. It's tied up. They score and go for 2. They're winning. And possibly, depending on where the time is, they would have won the game. And the Eagles, let's see, it was 2nd and 4. They're driving the ball. Jalen Hurts, he's trying to make something happen. Nothing happening there, bro. Even though I don't mind those, little, just what's happened. Oh my goodness. As I was saying, those, so y'all don't think I'm like crazy or whatever. I don't mind those little messages that come up, but not too much. Oh my goodness, is that a fumble? The impossible just happened. That's their asses. That's their asses. That's it. Oh my goodness gracious me, man. What a game. What a game. It's always the Eagles. We at home at least. Yo, Trey Lance did alright. He did his damn job against a rival team that's good. He did his job. Dak, like I said, the job is yours to lose, bruh. Okay? That's why Trey Lance is here. Because you just too hit or miss sometimes, bruh. So he's here just in case. Okay? He's here just in case. 13-6, Dallas. We win. We win. We took them out. Alright, y'all. I'm loving this. But you already know, same outro. I am the Wombatic Sports. Until next week, next game. I'm out, y'all. Later.